This is why you need to know about hiccups. Curious? Let's dive in. So, what's the deal with hiccups? It all starts with your diaphragm. That's the muscle right below your lungs. Sometimes it gets a little twitchy. When it spasms, your vocal cords snap shut, and voila, you've got a hiccup. But why does it happen? Could be eating too fast, drinking fizzy drinks, or even a sudden scare. Your body's just got a mind of its own sometimes. Luckily, hiccups usually go away on their own. But if they stick around, try holding your breath, drinking some water, or even getting a good scare. Yep, the same things that cause hiccups can also fix them. Crazy, right? So next time you hiccup, just remember, it's your body's funny way of keeping you on your toes. See you next time.